Well, now that I know that that dimmer switch is going to work for these types of light fixtures, I got to make myself a material list. I know I need to get a dimmer, what do you call it? A three-way light switch dimmer. And then I've got to decide, do they have a three-way light switch dimmer that's lit like this one? Do I really care if it's lit on that three-way? I don't necessarily have to, because see, I would be changing that one there because this is the three-way for this light, and I'm going to leave that one there because it's already lit. And my three-way dimmer switch I can just put here, and I can decide, I guess, if I want it lit or unlit, because if it's late at night and we come out here and I don't want to fish around for this, I just see the little orange dot on there and I can see where the dimmer is, and I don't have to get my grubby handprints all over the wall. So I've got to get one for that. I've got to get one for these other lights over here. This is a three-way. There's a three-way switch down there, and there's this one here, and this one's lit. This is lit for the three-way for up above, and so I'll get the dimmer switch and put down there, and maybe I'll get a non-illuminated one for that. Who knows? You know, so I'll start writing those things down, so next time I go to the store I can get them, and I need to get another one of those cylinder ones. That's kind of cool, huh? And it's kind of tricky how I was able to do it at the angle like that. And I'm going to put one here, and that's going to go vertical because I've got this one over here vertical. There's always a rhyme or reason when you install things, and we made these two going horizontal, you know, just to kind of break up the monotony, so to speak. Okay? So the beauty of things like this, you can start deciding how you want to do things in your house. Maybe you got some crummy light fixtures in here and you want to upgrade them, update them. You can do that. No problem. I've got light fixtures, other kind of light fixtures, bathroom fixtures and stuff on my channel. And in fact, I've got to install one into here. And when I do that, of course, I'll make a video of it. And speaking of installing light fixtures in a bathroom, I've got another bathroom down here. It's a half bath, and we were racking our brains what we were going to do with it for light fixtures. And you see, holy cow, we got a toilet here that's got to be installed eventually. I've got a pedestal light or pedestal sink that's got to be installed here. And see how they had this mirror here, so I took that down before I painted. And you see how they have lights. They had a light on both sides, and I didn't want to tear this out and put the light up higher and blank those off or reroute all the electrical and patch and spray texture and do all that kind of stuff. So we had to get something here for these, and we've got a couple different ideas over here. And we might put this little thin cylinder one up, and we got two other ones down here too. I can't even reach down in there to see what they look like. Oh, it's like that, and it only goes one direction. Because see, I was thinking, you see how close the mirror is to those lights. If we got anything hanging down, it might look like it's too close to this mirror. And if we take the mirror down, it's like, what else are we going to put there? We'd have to get something even smaller, you see. So I was thinking about having the base and having the light go just straight up, like that. And I think that's what we're going to do. And I think that's the bottom one. But then I thought if it was going down, it would have to be something very thin going down, so it didn't make the mirror look like it was out of place, or like the mirror was too close to the light fixtures or that kind of stuff. Yes, of course, I'll make a video of that too. And anything that I do over here at this condo, I'm going to make a video. And what's the next thing I'm going to talk about? Well, I'm gonna talk, I need to check something out on the deck. Momi put some lights. She had these lights strung up on the deck rail, and then she plugged them in to a GFI electrical outlet out there, and it wasn't working. And I'm not sure what's going on with that. So that's probably what I'm gonna check next time. See you then. Well, there you go. Let's have you look at that. See there? It basically looks like we never did anything. Like those switches have been there since day one of this condo, but you and I know that's not the case, right? And I'm glad it turned out nice, and I'm glad to see that these LED style light fixtures do in fact dim. Okay, well that's all I have for this time, but I'll be back with more videos. I'm not quite sure what I'm going to talk about next time, but I'll find something to show you.